Dol makedo gi Mibadhi mano EACC owacho ni Kwan joma tiyo gi otese somo mabandia e kinde jotije mag kaontis ni malo mokalo. Jatelo mochung'ne apisno e bade magwenge mag hoho mar Okak Ignatius Wekesa owacho ni gisemako jotelo modhuro katiyo gi otese mabandia ka bende gisechwalo gi nyaka e doho. Wekesa omedo ni thoth otese mabandia gin mag primary kanyakla kod sekondar ka mag kuonde tiegruok mamalo to ni kare gino ma bende keto tijgi bedo matek. Gisiemo jotije kaunti mantiere gi otese makamagi ni biro kawonegi ondamo mar chik kendo kaw osara ma bende gisechamo kaluwore kod tiyo gi otese makamago.
It is clear, section 69(2), because there was a stock out. Then Stella councils must have a budget. So if you start bringing issues that were not in the tender document,
all county governments are affected by, in fact, most county governments, all of them that I know, they have that problem of fake documents. Employing people with fake documents and irregular employment. And one thing I need to add also is that once we investigate and we find out that somebody was employed using fake documents or acquired a job irregularly, what we are doing is that apart from filing the criminal suit, we are also filing the civil recovery for the salary that that person, that officer has earned over that particular period of time. That's what we are doing as a punitive measure, so that we avoid a situation whereby somebody is just taken to court criminal and he goes away with the salary, which he got from the government and he was not qualified for it.